Today I will explain you how we can create a CI/CD in GitHub. I have a GitHub repository. It is a project built in .NET Core. We will set up a CI/CD pipeline in that project. Let me click on sign in. Click on sign in. There is one project in my account. I will open that. This is a web application built in ASP.NET Core. Let me enable GitHub Actions inside it. Click on Settings. In the left, there is an option Actions. Click on that. Click on General. Click on Allow all actions and reusable workflows. This way, GitHub will be enabled for running my CI/CD pipelines in this particular project. Let me click on Save. You will notice a new Actions tab has been introduced over here. Using this tab, we will be able to create our workflow. Let me click on Actions. You will see over here it is suggesting a lot of actions which can be executed on this repository. Depending on the type of project, it suggests some different actions. For example, there is a .NET Desktop, Grunt, Docker image, deployment related actions, security related actions, and so on. Let me search for my own workflow which I want to implement here. I will implement this .NET action over here. Let me click on configure and it is giving me the pre-configured pipeline. In this pipeline, you can understand that whenever anything is pushed in the master, this particular workflow will be executed and it will execute a build job. That job will be executed on Ubuntu. There will be below steps inside that job. It will set up the .NET environment after checking out my code in that Ubuntu machine. Then it will restore the dependencies and finally it will build the code. Also, it will test the code if there are any test cases written in that code. Let me click on Start Commit and click on Commit New File. At the moment I commit the new file, a .github directory will be created inside my repository, inside which there will be a workflows directory which will have my workflow YAML file. If I click on the main directory, you will notice that there is a .github directory created. If I click on actions, you will notice that one workflow is under execution. It will take some time to complete. It is now completed. Let me open it. Over here it is showing that there is a build job which was executed. Now let me open that build job. And these are the details of that build job. Let me expand those things. Okay, so finally the job was built and the test was successful.